What would you think if someone had the capability of altering your memories?
That is so weird.
It's just insane. Like, we are living in a time where AI is starting to take over. We're gonna have robots that are moving around just like people.
Life in prison was to spend your life. You're always going to wake up remembering why you're there.
I think it's all wrong.
Pathways where they put this stuff in your brain.
They say it's intended for rehabilitation for prisoners, right? Who commit crimes.
That would take away from the victims, though, like the victim's family.
Yeah.
What is the victim's family? And they murdered them, so they're going to forget that they did that.
Like within a decade, this technology could absolutely be used. Memories are nothing but broken or repaired DNA strands. I'm talking about Cognify.